Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax here in Clearwater. Today we're standing on a 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. This boat's powered by a 300 Mercury Verado. This motor is a V8, so it is very powerful, but it's quiet at the same time. Notice the nice sea deck that we have here as soon as we enter the boat, which is carried throughout. Very good on the feet, easy to clean, non-slip. Go ahead and come inside real quick. Notice the spacious cockpit. Very large amount of space with a ton of seating, a ton of storage underneath the cushions as well. Clean integrated dash with a 7-inch Simrad already equipped with this boat. Inside here we'll have a very large head, especially for a 25-foot boat. There are cushions in there as well, so if you'd like to get out of the sun and go hang out, you can. And then give the bow a quick look real quick. Get a very well laid out bow with plenty of seating for probably 4 to 5 people, with a cooler up here, so when you're up here and you want to drink, you don't need to go to the back. We're going to have a ladder and an anchor under here. If you'd like to know more about this boat, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Justin Johnson. My phone number is 813-424-6084. Thank you very much. Have an awesome day and enjoy the water.